Ankle pain, unraveled. What does it really mean? Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, ankle pain. If you've ever wondered about the ins and outs of this common term, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Ankle refers to the part of the body where the foot and the leg meet. It's that joint you see just before your foot starts, and it plays a crucial role in our ability to walk, run, and dance. Pain is a feeling that's uncomfortable or unpleasant. It's the body's way of telling us that something might not be right. Pain can be sharp, dull, throbbing, or steady, and it can be felt in any part of the body. Combine them, and ankle pain simply means discomfort or an unpleasant feeling in the ankle. Ankle pain can arise for a variety of reasons. Injury. This is one of the most common causes. Someone might twist or sprain their ankle, leading to pain. Medical conditions. Diseases like arthritis can cause pain in the joints, including the ankle. Wear and tear. Just like a machine, our body parts can wear out over time. The ankle, given its crucial role in movement, is susceptible to this. Understanding a phrase is one thing. Using it correctly in conversations is another. Here are some examples. After her run, she complained of ankle pain. I can't go hiking tomorrow because of my ankle pain. If you have persistent ankle pain, it's a good idea to see a doctor. And there you have it. Now you know what ankle pain means, its causes, and how to use it in sentences. We hope this has been enlightening for you. Remember, the beauty of language lies in both understanding and effective communication. Until next time, happy learning!